Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP might already be on its way higher here, following the overall wave count here to that 86 cent area or higher we talked about for the next move. Remember that the idea here that I have is that we are going higher either in the yellow wave count or in the white wave count. They are very similar, very difficult to distinguish between them. And to be honest, it also doesn't really matter. Let me explain again to you the wave counts that we're tracking here. There is the yellow count, which is the more aggressively bullish one, in which we have a 1-2 setup in place. That's the idea. Okay, so that wave 2 bottomed already. That was on the 6th of September. And for the third wave, I gave you a target of 86.6 cents. So maybe we get there already. Okay, maybe we're already on the move. It would have to be, however, the third wave of a diagonal. We all know that third waves are typically the strongest waves in a cycle. And we could be then in wave 3 now. Let's talk about the other scenario as well, however. But in this scenario, we would probably have topped in an A wave in yellow. The B wave might actually have been a triangle. We'll see. Yeah, and I said to you in the last video, initial confirmation that we are moving higher in wave C here would be a break above that 61.3, 61.4 cent level. That, however, yes, we have broken out of the trend line, but that is not really a confirmed breakout of the range. The real levels that really matter are these two here, especially the 66 cent level, which formed in July, end of July. This level needs to be broken to really break out of the range, because the second scenario, or the white count, it's just a different scenario, which is very similar anyway, also suggested a breakout higher. In this scenario, we said, okay, we have a triangle, and the triangle is an A, B, C, D, E. And as I said before, E waves don't really have a target, but I would prefer a little bit more of a healthy E wave. But E waves can also be triangles. Either way, a focus on higher, as long as the 6th of September low is holding at 50 cents pretty much. But we had some more support levels to watch there, actually a little bit higher, enabled a, let's say, tighter stop if anybody wanted to set one. Here between 52.2 cents and 56 cents. But we haven't even touched the support area. So I am at the moment a little bit skeptical if this was already... So in the E wave of the triangle, a bit of a pullback would have been good, and would actually still be good. Okay, that's why I said the main levels here that matter are around 66 cents, because without a problem in the triangle, we could just be extending, no problem at all. It could still be extending. The next level is that B wave high at 64.3 cents, and then the 66 cent level. At the latest, when we get above 66 cents, the triangle can't extend any further. As long as we stay below that, the triangle could technically extend further, right? But I'm not willing to raise support levels yet until I see a little bit more structure. But the upside levels are clear, okay? Support levels haven't changed, and the invalidation point is also clear to the downside. If you're looking for a key level, okay, Elliott wave is very... In Elliott wave, that concept of key levels is very important, because a break below a key level indicates that the direct move to the upside is likely breaking. Yeah, that last key level here would be around 57.4 cents. But this move is not substantial enough to really confirm a substantial breakout. Yep, we have a break above the trend line, but the trend line is not so important from a structural point of view, because an Elliott wave triangle can extend as long as the price stays below the B wave top. But as I said, in the yellow count, we can also break out directly. So I'm watching these two scenarios. All it means is we might get another dip lower if the E wave still happens, because it might be that the D wave is simply extending, possibly then like this. Okay, that's possible. And it's just gonna stop here somewhere. We'll have to see. I think I gave you all the key levels that matter. At the moment, of course, the upside momentum is there. Expect some resistance here around the 64 to 66 cent mark. And then when we break above it, it should open the door to that 86 cent level next. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.